It's something everyone has experienced. Full of life and splashing colour everywhere. Not a problem for Miele though, even for those unaccustomed to laundry care. Many Miele programs offer an optional extra for tackling stains. A customized approach covering 22 different stain types and adjusting the wash program automatically in each case. And this is how it works. Select the program and then select the appropriate stain type from the Stains menu. The machine will automatically adapt the program cycle. And what's more, the user is provided with tips and hints in the display. And as stains rarely come in isolation, up to 3 stain types can be combined on Miele machines. Stain removal, gentle and simple, to the benefit of both big and small.